Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to clear running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it by tapping on the square icon right here. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously opened apps. If you want to remove only one of it, then find it and swipe it up, just like that. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on the trash bin icon right in the middle. As you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's enter the recents again, and here we've got no recent items, no recent apps, so it means that we successfully closed all of them. So that's all. This is how to close background apps in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.